everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got some new glitters here to show you from CRAFTYFOX251. If you've not heard of Crafty Fox, she is a lovely lady called April who runs an Etsy shop called CRAFTYFOX251. I have done quite a few videos on her products now. I'll leave them linked in the description box if you'd like to check them out. She sells a wide range of various different products, from nail art to resin bits to amazing jewellery. I'm absolutely obsessed with her gummy bear earrings. I've got them all apart from one. I was looking at the shop the other day and realised I don't have the dark blue gummy bears, so I'm going to have to get myself those. But anyways, today we have got some new glitters here to show you. I've got two full collections to show you and then one singular glitter to show you. They are really beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to do some stuff with them. They are brand new to the website, just been released, and they are beautiful. So I'm just going to show you all of those today. So this is the first one I'm going to show you. This one is not part of the collection. This is a single glitter on its own. This one is called Black Rose. We have got a mixture of glitter in here. It is a full-on multi-mix. We have got matte black glitter and we've also got pink iridescent glitter. It has large hex skins, it has medium hex skins, it has small hex skins. We've got fine glitter. It's a full-on multi-mix. It's really beautiful. Give you guys a bit more of a closer look there. It's a very unique mix. I really love it. But yeah, that one is called Black Rose. Next up here we have got the cocktail collection. These are absolutely stunning. I really love these a lot. So these are all named after different cocktail drinks. This one here is quite a nice bright pink glitter mix. It's called Cosmopolitan. It is really beautiful. It's a multi-mix again, so we have got large and small silver hexes as well as transparent large and small hexes, and then we've got like a pink but holographic fine glitter in there as well. I'll give you guys a bit more of a closer look. Isn't that beautiful? I really love that one. So that one is Cosmopolitan. Next up we've got this one here, which is a neon yellow. It's called Mellow Yellow. The whole collection is the same sort of mix, it's just different colours. So this one has got like a matte neon yellow fine glitter in it instead. It still sparkles, it's just mattified, as well as the transparent and the silver large and small hexes. You've also got some medium hexes in there too. But yeah, I'll give you guys a closer look at that one. Yeah, it's called Mellow Yellow. I really like that one. Then we've got this one here, which is slightly lighter pink than the other one. This one is called Pink Lady. Same mix again, it's just a lighter version of the pink. Really beautiful though. I really like it. Next up we have got Purple Rain. Again, really beautiful. I just love that sort of multicoloured shift that it's got on it. It's really nice. Nice sort of pastel purple. Yeah, it's Purple Rain. They're just so nice. I really like these. Next up we have got Mojito, which is like a pastel green colour. You can see why it's called Mojito. It's definitely got that lovely sort of green mojito colour to it. I really like these. I'm literally obsessed with these. Then finally from the cocktail collection we have got Blue Moon. They are so nice. So yeah, that is the 6-piece cocktail collection. So just running through names again, we have got Cosmopolitan, we have got Blue Moon, we have got Mojito, Purple Rain, Pink Lady and Mellow Yellow. And yeah, I really like these. It's one of my favourite collections I've ever seen. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I really love them. Okay, and then the next collection we have got here is called the Disney collection. This is a 10-piece collection, and as you can see we've got a lot of holo going on here. Like a lot of holo. They are very holographic, very colourful, very pretty. But yeah, I'm just going to go through them all one by one with you. So this is the first one that we have got here. This one's called Moana or Mohana. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it exactly, but it's kind of like a dusky sort of pink as well as like a charcoal grey holographic multi-mix. We've got large, medium, small and fine glitter in there, but it's really beautiful. There's a lot of holo going on in this collection. Then we've got this one here, which is blue and purple. This is called Stitch, as in Lilo and Stitch. It is so cute. It's got two different shades of blue in there, I think, and then sort of like a pinky sort of purple holographic. But I think this is one of my favourites out of the whole collection. It's really nice. Then we've got this one here, which is called Ella. This is so pretty. It's got different types of blue in it again, as well as sort of like a greeny sort of blue as well. Give you guys a bit more of a close look. How pretty is that? Then we've got this one here, which is called Aurora. Again, I think this might be another one of my favourites. I love them all. They're all really nice. Look at the mixture of colours in that one. Isn't it nice? Like golds and pinks sort of mainly. There's some sort of like charcoal sort of grey in there as well. They're hella nice. So nice. But yeah, that's Aurora. Next up, there's this one here called Beast. It's really nice again. These are sort of glitters that you can spend all day looking at because the hollow in them are just incredible. Yeah, that's Beast. I really like that again. This one here is called Anna. It's a very sort of purple and blue, this one. A bit more of a deeper purple than that other one that I showed you. But yeah. Aren't they incredible? They're really nice. This one here is called Goofy. It's quite similar to the Beast mix, but it just has a different sort of backing on it. This one's sort of more silver holographic, but again, so pretty. It's a really nice one for autumn as well, this one, I think. This one here is absolutely stunning. This one is called Daisy, as in Daisy Duck. As you can see, it's kind of like a pinky sort of purple and silver holographic. I feel like everyone's gonna love this one. It's so nice. This one here is called Belle. This is a silver and gold holographic. As you can see there, really nice. And then last but not least, we have got this one here, which is called Rapunzel. It is pink, gold and silver holographic. So yeah, that is the full Disney collection. As you can tell, they're called the Disney collections. They are named after a bunch of Disney characters. Really good mixture of different holographics there. And yeah, I just feel like it's another good collection that everyone needs in their life. It's really beautiful and just so satisfying to sit there looking at all these different colours. Okay, so price wise, each individual bag is £1.50 for a 5-gram bag, so super affordable. With the cocktail collection, so it's a 6-piece collection, so you can either buy them individually, like I said, for £1.50 each, or you can buy the whole collection for £7. So if you buy the whole collection, you'll be saving yourself £2. And likewise with the Disney collection, this is a 10-piece collection, £1.50 each, or you can buy the whole entire collection for £13. So again, you'll be saving yourself £2. So they are really affordable and really nice glitters. They should be up on the website now if you'd like to take a look at them. I will leave them linked in the description box for you to take a look if you'd like to. She does also sell a whole other range of different glitters as well, not just these ones. There's quite a load to pick from, but yeah, they're super affordable, really nice quality, and yeah, just all around beautiful. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you have all enjoyed. Like I said, I'll leave links to everything in the description box if you'd like to check it out. Please do. April is absolutely lovely. She is so sweet, and she really does sell some beautiful items. So if you haven't checked her out already, please do. You really would not be disappointed. She has got loads on there, and yeah, you feel spoilt for choice. I've already purchased so much stuff of her because she really does sell some really lovely stuff, and yeah, I love it all. I've been really happy with everything I've ever got from April. So yeah, that is it. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. I'm gonna start trying to mix things up a little bit and sort of, you know, get some more exciting content out there. I know I've been doing a lot of reviews and stuff lately. I've not been doing as much nail art as I would like to, but I'm hoping to crack on and do some more soon. And I've just got some more sort of fun videos planned. I've had planned for a while. I'm actually gonna get around filming. So yeah, lots of exciting content coming very soon. But yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Much love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!